Looking for the ultimate Costa Rica adventure? This small country is bursting with giant volcanoes, misty cloud forests, dazzling beaches, and rainforests alive with wildlife. From epic thrills to pure relaxation, Costa Rica has it all. And we're counting down 14 of the very best places you won't want to miss. 1. Arenal Volcano and La Fortuna. With its near-perfect cone shape, Arenal Volcano is an iconic site. Though dormant since 2010, it's surrounded by lush rainforest, hot springs, and adventure activities like ziplining, rafting, and hiking. Nearby La Fortuna is the lively gateway town, offering markets, restaurants, and plenty of charm. 2. Monteverde Cloud Forest. Step into the clouds at Monteverde, where misty treetops hide exotic orchids, howler monkeys, and the dazzling resplendent quetzal. Walk the famous hanging bridges or soar on some of the longest zip lines in Central America. At night, guided walks reveal the rainforest's hidden nocturnal life. 3. Manuel Antonio National Park. Despite being one of the smallest parks, Manuel Antonio packs in incredible biodiversity, from monkeys and sloths to over 350 bird species. Here, rainforest trails lead to stunning viewpoints and some of Costa Rica's most beautiful beaches, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or sunbathing. 4. Playa Conchal. Known for its sand made of tiny crushed seashells, Playa Conchal is a serene beach with crystal-clear waters ideal for snorkeling. Spot tropical fish and even sea turtles, or try kayaking and paddleboarding. Nearby resorts offer a balance of luxury and local charm. 5. Irazú Volcano. The country's highest active volcano, Irazú, stands over 3,400 meters tall. On clear days, you can see both the Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea. Its surreal crater lake and volcanic landscapes make it an otherworldly stop. 6. Tortuguero National Park. Accessible only by boat or small plane, Tortuguero is a haven for wildlife. Its canals wind through rainforest packed with monkeys, birds, and even caimans. But the real stars are the sea turtles that nest here between July and October, a sight you'll never forget. 7. Poás Volcano. Easily accessible from San Jose, Poás features one of the world's largest craters with a striking blue-green acidic lake. Trails lead to incredible viewpoints, and the surrounding cloud forest is alive with hummingbirds and toucans. 8. Isla Tortuga. A postcard-perfect island with white sand and turquoise waters, Isla Tortuga is perfect for snorkeling, kayaking, or simply relaxing. With no permanent settlements, it remains unspoiled and tranquil, a true tropical escape. 9. Cahuita National Park. On the Caribbean coast, Cahuita blends coral reefs with lush rainforest. Snorkel among colorful fish and stingrays, or hike coastal trails where monkeys and sloths roam freely. Managed with the help of the local community, the park is a model of sustainable tourism. 10. Tamarindo. A lively beach town on the Pacific, Tamarindo is famous for surfing, golden sands, and a vibrant nightlife. Beyond the waves, mangrove estuaries and sunset sailing tours reveal a quieter, wilder side. Nearby Playa Grande is also a nesting site for leatherback turtles. 11. Catarata del Toro. This dramatic waterfall, plunges 90 meters into an extinct volcanic crater. Surrounded by rainforest and far less crowded than other attractions, Catarata del Toro offers a peaceful, breathtaking escape. (12) Guanacaste Province. With its dry forests, beaches, and cultural traditions, Guanacaste showcases another side of Costa Rica. It's home to Rincón de la Vieja Volcano, historic Santa Rosa Park, and some of the Pacific's best beaches like Playa Flamingo and Playa Hermosa. (13) Tárcoles River. Known for its massive population of crocodiles, the Tárcoles River is both thrilling and educational. Boat tours bring you up close to crocs, herons, and spoonbills, while guides explain the delicate balance between human activity and conservation. (14) San Jose. The capital city, San Jose, is Costa Rica's cultural heart. Visit the elegant National Theater, explore museums filled with history, or wander the lively Mercado Central. Though often a starting point for travelers, San Jose itself is rich in art, food, and tradition. From fiery volcanoes and misty cloud forests to turtle-nesting beaches and lively towns, Costa Rica proves that big adventures come in small packages. Whether you're chasing wildlife, soaking in hot springs, or just letting the waves roll in, this country offers experiences that stay with you long after you've left. So when you're ready for your next journey, Pura Vida awaits.